Firstly, I must say, I must make distinction, not Buddhism whole. Precisely, we must make, usually I make, you see, 3 parts. Buddhist science, Buddhist philosophy, Buddhist religion. So we are dealing with scientists, modern scientists, with Buddhist science. And to some extent, some cases, Buddhist concept, like quantum physics, the absence of independent existence, shunyata, patithasamuppada. You see these concepts, one Indian nuclear physicist, one time, you see, he expressed to me, I think more than 15 years ago, in one occasion in Delhi. Raja Khaza, what means Raja? Raja Raman. Now no longer. He once, he told me, one meeting, he expressed to me, he found the concept of quantum theory in some Nagarjuna's sort of writing. He found essence of similar sort of idea or theory. So, in philosophy, some cases there's some connection, but otherwise just Buddhist science. Buddhist science, external things and internal thing. So as far as external thing is concerned, modern science is much developed, wonderful. You see, we learned many useful things from modern science. Then as far as internal science, inner science, about mind, about emotion, how to deal with these emotions. Then Eastern philosophy, Eastern sort of, the tradition, Eastern science, the Indian sort of ancient sort of thought about mind, or concept of samadhi, vipassana, these are, in order to explain these things, the explanation about mind, very detailed. And particularly in Buddhism. So because, you see, those religion is based on law of causality, ultimately, they both joyfulness and painful, both ultimately relate with our mind, emotion. So in order to reduce this negative emotion, in order to increase positive emotion, we have to know the mind itself, or emotion itself. So therefore, naturally, detailed explanation about mind, about emotion, there. And also make distinction, grosser level of mind, more subtle level, because of that, very subtle level. So these are quite useful to modern scientists, especially those brain scientists. So last more than now 20 years, you see, we have regular sort of contact with scientists. So mutual benefit, like that. So, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Holiness, and thank you for your untiring efforts to promote peace in the world. You've brought us a truly inspirational message this morning, one that we can use to re-energize our own commitment to our treatment of our fellow human being. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank the many members of the university community, including our students, faculty, and staff who have devoted themselves to the mission of planning and presenting Peace Week and also this event. Your Holiness, we also have a tradition here at Florida Atlantic University, and as a token of our appreciation, the university would like to present you with 2 gifts. The first is a book that was written to commemorate the 10th anniversary of our Peace Studies program, an initiative that was inspired in great measure by the example of your lifelong dedication to peace. And the second is this certificate, which duplicates the wording that will appear on a plaque at the base of a tree that our students will plant on this campus to serve as a living reminder of your visit to us. Thank you. We truly hope that when you look at these gifts, you'll remember your time here with pleasure. And we also hope that you'll return to speak to us again in the future. Thank you so very much for being with us on this very historic occasion today. Your Holiness.